Welcome my friends. I have another unboxing video for you today. This is the next installment of my Passion for Purple Valentine's Day special, in which I reveal some of the purchases I have made over the last 12 months, as well as provide you with ideas for the purple lovers in your life. Even though Valentine's Day is typically associated with reds and pinks, we can't forget that purple is also part of that whole mix, and definitely is a great option for people who are not so much into red or pink. This is a piece that my SA in San Antonio at the Neiman Marcus was able to secure for me. Shout out to Isabel. She is my ride or die, total amazing SA who has gotten me some of the best pieces in my collection, especially pieces from Chanel. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, let's go ahead and slip this off. I don't know if you can see all the dust. I've had this for a while. Whoops. To reveal. Oh, it's so little. It's so cute. Based on the size. Any ideas? All right. This is the vanity case. Whoops. Oh, it's so cute. So technically this is an SLG, but this is the little vanity case in the purple with the top handle. And open it up. It does have a chain which is not detachable and can be used. I think it's probably going to be long enough on me at least. It's a pretty heavy duty chain to be used as crossbody because I am kind of on the short side. And when we open it up, it does have, when you open it up, it does have a mirror. And as you can see, it has the slip pockets for cards, has the, whoop, can you tell, has a lipstick holder. I've not seen these vanity cases show up on Fashion File or other pre-loved websites in this particular color. I have definitely seen the small classic flaps in the caviar leather, the purple. It is a really gorgeous purple. It is lighter than the mulberry amethyst color that I shared with you in a recent video, but it is still a gorgeous purple. It is that classic Chanel lambskin. It does have a top handle which is kind of small. Can't really fit your hand through it unless you have a very tiny hand. And it is a pretty stiff handle. As I said, this is a pretty substantial chain, and it does have 2 zips to allow for opening part of the way. Let's do a full 360. Here's the side, the back, the other side, the bottom with the CCs stitched but no feet. And this is the light gold hardware, if you can't tell. As I said, this is technically an SLG, so that means that the price point was still more reasonable than what you would pay for that small classic flap or any other bags that they were offering in this color. They did have the mini with the top handle, which is cute, but because I do already have mini with the top handle in the light purple from the 22 cruise collection. So that was earlier last year. I decided that I would pass on that, but I did go for the vanity case because I really did want to add something in this color to my collection. So if you enjoy these types of unboxings, please go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're interested, I would love it if you would consider joining my small YouTube family by clicking that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you are alerted to any future videos. I hope you are enjoying this Passion for Purple Valentine's Day unboxing series. If you do, please go ahead and show me some love in the comments. Drop a purple heart to let me know that you share the love of purple. Or if you're not a purple lover, go ahead and drop a heart or a color swatch in the color that you find yourself tending to collect. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe. Bye.